Days 7 and 8 would be spent in the greater Tampa area. Big idea was to meet up with my brother and nephew in Plant City, head on across Tampa over to the coast, and spend a couple days in Madeira Beach, which is where Lucas said he wanted to go. First things first, we had to get a good selfie to send to Grams in Louisiana, let her know that all the three Thibodeau boys were having fun together.
Say hi, Lucas. What's up, Kenny?
What's going on?
Say hi to the peeps.
We drove into Plant City. We got some lunch, some washer fluid, washed the truck at the car wash, getting rid of all that road grime and sand from the beach and stuff. I had never been to Plant City. It's a pretty quaint little town. Then we got on the highway, headed through Tampa, very slowly. Made our way on over towards St. Pete Beach area.
Hey, where are we going, Lucas?
Somewhere there's a tea.
Jewel Mama's Beach House. Yeah!
Just as we stopped for some water, good old song come on the radio. Pretty good song for heading to the beach. Lucas wasn't impressed. Especially when the verses came on. Couldn't make him laugh for nothing. But we were gonna make him have fun. Oh, Kendall didn't know the words. Lucas still wasn't impressed. He's like, can we get to the beach already? Just a minute, Lucas, we'll leave in a second. I got a few more hand jobs to get in before this song's over, and then we'll head out. We ended up having a nice dinner on the water with live music, fresh seafood. What else can you ask for? Boys will be boys, especially Thibodeau boys, going through puberty. Oh, Lucas. We got back to the hotel. Kenny took Bailey for a real long walk, so she was really laid back and chilled out. After watching Lucas swim in the pool for a while, she was ready for a nap too, so we all retired for the night. Day 7, St. Pete Beach in the books. Good night, all. Have a good one.